Beautiful waterfalls. Do we know how waterfalls are formed? Maybe most of you may not. At first, a small notch is created in the bedrock. This is a groove or dip in the soft rock. The notch may only be a few inches of drop, yet it increases the speed of the river falling over the edge. This encourages the river to erode vertically or downcutting into the soft rock, creating a vertical drop. This is how a waterfall is formed. Do you know the most beautiful waterfalls on planet Earth? Maybe you don't.